Hey guys, it's Charity from ALoopandAHook, and today I wanted to take you along as I meal prep for some guests that are going to be coming over tonight. So I am planning on doing, I think, a Mexican sort of theme for it. I think I'm going to do like taco bowls. I think that's what I'm going to do because it's simple, but it's also something that really anyone can find something to like. So I'm going to bring you along. I need to go shopping for that, and then I'm going to need to cook it all. So here's the list of things that I need to get from Aldi's for my dinner tonight. This also will help with some food throughout the week as well, so I'm just doing all my shopping in one go. So this is what I am going to be making. I'm going to have the taco bowls, raspberry lemon cupcakes, and a side salad. Also, this ingredient needed list is one that I designed, and it is going to be posted in my Etsy shop soon. So I picked up Mom, and we just got done shopping at Aldi's, and Mom and I both packed everything together. We'll unpack it when I get home. Got this bag here, another bag. This is mostly produce. And then in here is all of our cold stuff. I spent about $39, which I didn't think was bad for tonight's dinner. So I was able to get almost everything that was on my list. Got a lot of fruits and veggies this time. I got peppers, spinach, lemons. The cherries were on sale. Got their romaine hearts, tomatoes. I had to get chili powder because I didn't have any. Avocados, raspberries, strawberries, pasta. This was on clearance for 89 cents, which was a good price. Cream cheese, sour cream, garlic, cucumber, tortilla chips, and a gallon of milk. Are you just chilling? You were cuddling with Fanny. Fanny's over there. I think Fanny doesn't like cuddling anymore. She had enough. You're super cute. You know that. You're really cute. So I'm working on making the beans right now for these taco bowls. So it calls for some onions. Hang on a second. Pull everything out of the Instant Pot. Okay, there we go. Okay, so there's the onions. Let's see, what else do we need? We need water and beans. So I already added the onions to the Instant Pot for the beans. Now I'm going to add 3 cups of water. And then 1 cup of black beans. And this is a 1/2 cup measuring cup, so we're going to do 2 of those. Then I don't have fresh garlic, so I am going to use minced garlic from Aldi's. Probably do like 2. It says 2. It says 1 clove, so I'll probably do about 1 spoonful whole. Then we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of salt. Then we're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin chili powder and oregano. There's the chili powder. Oregano. And then cumin. Let me grab the cumin. Oops, a little too much. There we go. Perfect. And then we're going to add a little bit of lime juice. I don't have fresh lime, so I'm just using bottled lime juice. Add a splash of that. And then we're going to add a little bit of black pepper. So I'm going to just mix this up real quick, just make sure all the spices and everything get combined with those beans, the water, the onions. And then I am going to cook this for, I think it is 25 minutes. Let me double check. So I'm going to cook this for 20 minutes under high pressure in the Instant Pot, and then I'm going to let it naturally release and the beans should be done. And I'll put a link in the description below for the recipe that I found for these beans. So there's been a few slight changes with who we're having over tonight. We were gonna have Colin's mom and her friend come over for dinner tonight, but they are busy. Colin has to work late. So tonight we're going to have my grandparents over instead of having them over this weekend. We're gonna have another family over this weekend. So it's just kind of shuffling people around, but it will all work out. So now I am making homemade ranch dressing, and I will also link the recipe in the description below for the recipe that I found online. We're gonna try it. Just calls for simple things: milk, sour cream, mayonnaise, salt, lemon, cilantro, dill, parsley, chives, garlic, and lemon. So I think it's gonna taste really good, but let me just quick make this and then I will show you the end product. So the next thing I'm going to be making is a vinaigrette dressing. So I wanted to have the option between either ranch or a vinegar dressing. I personally like vinegar more than ranch, but I know some people are not like that, so I just wanted to have the choice between the two. So this is a new recipe I am going to try. I am substituting the red wine vinegar with apple cider vinegar. I will link the recipe down in the description below so you guys can check out the base recipe that I'm using. So the next thing I am going to be making is lemon raspberry cupcakes. I did make these one other time and I do remember that they turned out good, so I'm hoping these turn out good again, but we will find out. It's a pretty simple recipe to follow. I will put the link for this recipe in the description below as well, so if you guys are so inclined to make this, you absolutely can. Like I said, super easy, nothing fancy about it, and they taste really good. The last thing we have to do is stir in our raspberries. Bought these ones fresh. You can use fresh or frozen. It's one thing the recipe did say we could do. There we go. Just lightly stir them in. Look at how amazing these look before they are even baked. Absolutely love seeing the little raspberry specks in them. It's like super cute. So I'm going to check and see if the beans are done and if there's any pressure. Nope, I think we're good. Oh, they look good. Okay, so those are done. I'm going to transfer them into another bowl, and then I think I'm going to cook the rice in there next.